Text on screen, cleaning hands with hand sanitizer. A hand is holding a bottle of hand sanitizer. Text on screen, choose a sanitizer that is at least 60% alcohol. A person reviews the ingredient label on the bottle of hand sanitizer. Text on screen, start with dry, clean hands. Two hands come into view. The left hand is clean, the right hand is covered with dirt. Text on screen, when hands are heavily soiled or greasy, hand sanitizers may not work well. The clean hand waves its finger no to the dirty hand. The clean hand turns over to show it is clean on both sides. The hands go out of view. A hand, palm side up, comes into view. Another hand applies a small amount of hand sanitizer to the palm. Text on screen. Apply a dime-sized amount of hand sanitizer to the palm of one hand. The screen blurs and clears. There is now a dime on the palm of the hand to show the relative size of the hand sanitizer. The screen blurs and returns to the original palm with the hand sanitizer. The palm with hand sanitizer comes together with its hand mate. The hands start to rub together to distribute the hand sanitizer. Text on screen. Rub hand sanitizer all over hands until dry. A montage of hands rubbing in hand sanitizer. The hands fade from view. A single wet hand comes into view. Text on screen. Don't touch anything until your hands are dry. The hand goes out of view. The montage of hands rubbing in hand sanitizer returns. The hands are now dry and stop rubbing. The hands turn over to show they are dry on all sides. Text on screen. You've got clean hands. Minnesota Department of Health logo. Text on screen. A website. health.mn.gov/handwashing.